My name is Sarah. I love my daughter Emily very much. She is 27 years old, finished college, and has a good job as a teacher in the town of Green Valley. My husband John and I are very happy for her. We helped her buy a small house so she could have a good life. We hope to see her happy, get married, and have children someday. But now I feel very sad. I found out a secret. Emily is seeing a man who is already married. My heart feels heavy. I haven't told John because he's very proud of Emily, and I don't want to hurt him. I keep thinking about Emily. She's smart, kind, and pretty. She can take care of herself. Why is she with a man who has a wife? She doesn't need him. She deserves someone better. One day I decide to talk to her. I sit with her in her living room. I say to Emily, I know many stories like this. Married men say, I'll leave my wife, but they never do. I also say, if you don't stop seeing him, I will tell his wife. Emily gets angry. She shouts at me. Her words hurt. I've never heard her speak to me like this before. My heart breaks. I say, Emily, I'm your mother. I love you. I don't want this kind of life for you. But she doesn't listen. She says I have old ways of thinking. Tears fill my eyes. I say, Emily, you deserve better. You are young. You are smart. You are beautiful. Why do you want a man who lies? She looks away and doesn't answer. I feel helpless. I talk to my friend Lisa and cry. Lisa says, Emily's an adult. She has to make her own mistakes. I say, but I don't want her to be hurt. This man won't make her happy. My husband John still doesn't know. He's so proud of Emily. If he finds out the truth, he'll be very angry. At night, I can't sleep. I think about Emily, her future, and this man. I remember when she was a little girl. She was so sweet. She held my hand and told me her dreams. She wanted a good life. Why is she doing this now? Is she lonely? Does she believe his lies? I want to help her, but I don't know how. Days go by. I try to talk to her again. I ask, what if he never leaves his wife, Emily? She says, he will. He loves me. I ask, what if he is lying? What if you waste your life? She says, I don't care. I want to be with him. I feel very tired. I feel sad. My heart is heavy. I want Emily to be happy. I want her to be proud of her life. But now I see sadness in her future. I can't stop thinking about it. I want to protect her. I want to help her. One day, I ask her again, Emily, do you trust him? She says, yes, I do. I ask, if he loves you, why is he still with his wife? She doesn't answer. Her face looks sad. I love Emily deeply. I want the best for her, but she doesn't listen to me. I think about the future. Will she be happy? Will she be hurt? I pray for her. I hope she understands. I hope she makes the right choice. A mother always worries. A mother's love never ends. Days pass. I try to stay calm. I want to talk to Emily again, but I'm afraid. I don't want to argue. I don't want to lose her. One evening, I sat alone in the kitchen. John is reading a book in the living room. I look at my phone. I want to call Emily, but I don't know what to say. I remember when she was a little girl, happy, playful, full of dreams. She loved to read stories and play with her friends. She always listened to me. Now, everything feels different. I decide to call her. My hands shake as I hold the phone. She answers. Her voice is quiet. I ask, "Can we talk?" She replies, "I have things to do right now." I say, "Please, I miss seeing you." After a short pause, she agrees. "All right, I'll come over tomorrow." The next day, she arrives. She looks tired and worn out. I make some tea. We sit together at the kitchen table. I look at her and say, "Sweetheart, I love you. I'm worried about you." She sighs, "Mom, I'm okay. Why don't you understand?" Tears rise in my eyes. I want you to be happy, but I'm afraid this man will only bring you pain. She looks away. He cares about me. You don't know him like I do. I take a deep breath. If he truly cares for you, why is he still with his wife? She doesn't respond. Her face looks sad. I say gently, "You are strong, smart, and kind. You deserve someone who isn't tied to another woman. You deserve someone who will give you his whole heart." She looks at me. There is sadness in her eyes. "Mom, I love him. I can't just stop." I reach out and touch her hand. "Sweetheart, love shouldn't hurt. Real love is honest and kind." She pulls her hand away. "I don't want to talk about this anymore." My heart feels like it's breaking all over again. "Please think about what your life will look like," I tell her. She stands up. "I'm leaving. Don't call me about this again." I watch her walk away, and tears run down my face. I feel helpless. Weeks go by. Emily doesn't call. John asks why she's been so busy. I don't know what to say. I keep her secret, but it weighs heavily on me. Then, one day, Emily calls. Her voice is soft. "Mom, can I come visit?" I feel a small spark of hope. "Yes, honey, come whenever you can." She arrives that evening, looking tired and sad. I cook her favorite meal. We sit together, and after a long silence, she finally says, "He wasn't honest with me." My heart sinks. "What happened?" I ask. She takes a deep breath. "He said he would leave his wife, but he didn't. He told me he loved me, but now he won't even answer my calls." "Oh, sweetheart, I'm so sorry." Tears fill her eyes. "I thought he loved me. I trusted him." I hold her hand tightly. "You're not alone. I'm here with you," I say. She cries quietly. "I feel so foolish." I shake my head. "No, you're not foolish. You just wanted to be loved. You trusted someone. That's not a bad thing." She rests her head on my shoulder. "Mom, I feel like I'm falling apart." I hold her close. "You'll heal, Emily. You're strong. One day you'll meet someone kind, someone who loves you for all that you are." For the first time in weeks, I feel a bit of hope. My daughter is hurting, but she's here. She's home, and I know she's going to be okay. I kiss the top of her head. "I love you. I'll always love you." She whispers, "Thanks, Mom." And in that moment, I know she will find happiness again. Remember, real love is kind, honest, and never something you need to keep secret. You deserve someone who respects you and treats you well. Stay strong and take care of yourself.